Every single person who knows me has asked me this one question, that how did I get into acting? How? So let me tell you, I had decided in my internship that I will not go for PG because I wanted to pursue acting in Mumbai. I knew for a fact that once I go for PG, then I'll have no time to even eat or sleep. So trying something different is not a question at all. And I did not want to do that. I do not have any friends. I don't have any relatives, family members who are from this field. Nobody even likes the entertainment industry, to be very honest. And let me tell you, my parents had no idea about this. They thought that I am studying for NEET PG. And anybody who is interested in this field and doesn't know where to start from, I think you can start from here. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Udita. I completed my MBBS from KMC Manipal last year. And then I came back to Bombay where I stay with my family. Instead of going for PG, I was pursuing my hobbies, which basically included acting, theatre, dancing, content creation, etc. Last few months, every single person who knows me has asked me this one question, that how did I get into acting? How? So let me tell you, before I tell you how I got into acting after my MBBS, a little backstory about me. So I'm originally from Delhi, okay? I shifted to Bombay with my family because my dad had a transfer when I was in 11th grade. So the day we shifted to Bombay, I think since then it was a very strongly embedded desire in my head to see myself on the screen. It was just a fantasy, okay? It was just like a far fetched dream. It was just something that a 16-year-old was fantasizing about. But cut to when I came here, obviously real life hit, and I was preparing for my medical entrance exams during my 11th, 12th. I was just busy with that. Then I went to Manipal to pursue my MBBS. I was doing my cultural stuff in college during fests and everything. But I think there was still that girl inside me who wanted to do more and who knew that she doesn't want to restrict herself to just college. I knew for a fact that once I go for PG, then I'll have no time to even eat or sleep. So trying something different is not a question at all. And I did not want to do that. So I just had this very strong desire to pursue acting once I come back to Mumbai. I had decided in my internship that I will not go for PG because I wanted to pursue acting in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. Like, I am so lucky that I get to stay in this city, which is the hub of entertainment and creativity. And I live in Goregaon. Goregaon, Film City is in Goregaon. So now the story begins. See, I do not have any friends. I don't have any relatives, family members who are from this field, from the entertainment industry. Nobody even likes the entertainment industry, to be very honest. I did not know how to figure it out. I did not know where I would start from. I came back to Bombay almost a year ago. It was the first week of May in 2025. That was the time I completed my internship. I came back to Mumbai. And let me tell you, my parents had no idea about this. They thought that I am studying for NEET PG. Okay, that's a story for another day. Anyways, first thing that I started doing, I started watching YouTube videos. Like, I literally used to type how to pursue acting in Mumbai. Beginner's guide for acting in Mumbai. That at the same time I had started content creation because I was like, I need to have like a social presence and online presence. And I used to watch जो लोग इस इंडस्ट्री से नहीं है, how did they come into the industry, what was their story, what are the places that they used to go to, where are the casting offices, where are the auditions, what kind of acting classes, what kind of training be done for it. See, I have done theater like in my school and stuff, but कुछ फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग मैंने लिया नहीं था, तो आई वांटेड टू बी ट्रेन्ड. आई आल्सो स्टार्टेड searching on Instagram if I could find any information, and I actually found a few actors who are also creators. And there's this one girl, Tanisha Sharma, and she makes really good guides about how to go about figuring acting in Mumbai. So I used to directly DM. I started DMing people like directly with no hopes of them replying, honestly. I texted few other people as well. I really started socializing and gathering contacts from wherever possible. Like, if I would go for a dance workshop in Bandra, I would just start talking to the other person and I would just ask them, do you have any active friends? You know people from the industry. Actually, I'm very new to it and I'm wanting to get to know people. ऐसे मैंने बहुत इंस्टाग्राम पे मैसेजेस भेजे और मैंने कुछ लोगों को लाइक थ्रू म्यूचुअल्स एंड ऑल टेक्स्ट किया एंड यू नो व्हाट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल रिप्लाइड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दैट इवन विदाउट अ म्यूचुअल आई had texted like Tanisha Sharma, the one I mentioned. A lot of people replied online. People are really helpful out there. Like, you guys just have to ask. People are ready to help. And a lot of them replied, and then I was also doing my own research. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos. तो मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ आने लगा कि you either go for a acting school or acting classes, or you go for theater to figure out acting, and then you start giving auditions on the side. And there's this place called Aram Nagar in Andheri where all these auditions happen. वहाँ पे सारे casting offices हैं. वहाँ पे जाके you can give your introductions, you can do auditions and all of that. But I was like नहीं यार, मुझे actually इस industry के बारे में समझना पड़ेगा, तो I have to be in that environment where people are from this industry. So I was like I need to join some classes as well. जो भी मेरे criteria के हिसाब से fit बैठ रहा था, I just came down to Active Prepares. That was like a 1 month course. Like you have 1 month, 3 months, 1 year course, and ऐसे होता है. I was also not very sure कि मतलब should I join this acting school? Will it be worth it? Because those courses are in lakhs. Like the 3 month and 1 year courses in lakhs. Like, okay, let me just try it out for a month and let's see. I'll at least get to know people. I'll get some training. So I joined this. I think this was in June. So I joined Active Prepares, that's in Andheri, and it was like a batch of 16, 17 people, and it was so much fun. I had so much fun there, and it was a really nice structured kind of curriculum that they had, and they kind of taught well. Like it was a very organized way in which they kind of covered a lot of things. And I met this one girl who is a very famous model, and she has won a lot of pageants and stuff. And I was just telling her that, I'm just trying to figure it out. And she was also somebody who figured it out all by herself. So she gave me a very nice tip, and anybody who is interested in this field and doesn't know where to start from, I think you can start from here. She said, go to my following list and type cast. And you guys can go to my Instagram page, and in my following list, you can just type cast. When you will type cast, you will have a list of people who are either from casting agencies, talent agencies, who themselves are casting coordinators or casting directors, and you just approach them and you ask them where you can send your profile. मैंने वो करना start करा. I used to send like 50 messages in a day. I would send like 50 emails, 50 messages. By the time I was done with my active prepares, I had already sent a lot of people my profile. And then I went to Aram Nagar. When I went to Aram Nagar, I went to Mukesh Chhavra's office and I gave my introduction. But then I think I went to two, three other casting offices. I won't take the name. But they just told me कि अभी from COVID क्या होने लगा है कि we do not take any introductions. So basically introduction देना casting office में जाके is just the introduction video that you make, right? My name is this, basic details, and then your profiles. Okay, this is your introduction that you give just to see how you look on camera and how is your look. And if you fit the role, then casting director will call you for an audition on their script. राइट सो पहले वो सबका इंट्रोडक्शन लेते हैं, लेकिन जिनका उन्हें पसंद आता है, रिक्वायरमेंट फिट करता है, उन्हें बुलाते हैं वो ऑडिशन के लिए. अभी क्या होने लगा है आफ्टर कोविड ना, मोस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव बिकम ऑनलाइन. सो इंट्रोडक्शंस यू कैन जस्ट सेंड इट ऑनलाइन ऑन their email address. Auditions also have become online. Once they shortlist people, then they call them for offline auditions. So even if you're not from Bombay, even if you're from a different city, you can start. That's the best part. Everything has become online. Mukesh Chabra, I gave my intro. And one more place I gave my intro, but Baki, everybody sent me back. That was pretty disappointing. I was like, I heard stories about so many actors going to Ramnagar every single day for six hours and carrying so many costumes and giving various auditions. But that was just pre-COVID era. Things have changed now. I was done with active prepares. एक महीना हो चुका था. रामनगर पे मैं चली गई. कॉन्टैक्ट्स मुझे थोड़े बहुत समझ आ गए थे. काफी सारी कास्टिंग लोगों को मैंने मेल भेज दिया था. तो इधर उधर से मुझे नंबर्स मिल गए थे. So I started approaching a lot of people and I started getting auditions. Now I finally started getting auditions. In this video, I have talked about कैसे I started getting auditions in Mumbai. And in this video, we'll be talking about how I actually got work after giving auditions.